friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanika Bansal and you are watching Stay Gorgeous with Kanika. So today I am going to tell you about glowing makeup. So let's get started. So here I am using NY Bay primer. Now I am going to use Lakme CC cream in beige color. Going to blend. I'm talking about glowing makeup, so I'm using Miss Glow liquid highlighter. So I'm taking this much amount. Now taking my beauty blender. My concealer stick from Avon. Blend. Now taking Johnson's baby powder. It's time for baking. Dusting off the excess product on my face. Let's buff your eyebrows. With the help of spoolie, I am blending up. Using golden eye pencil from NY Bay. Blending with the help of finger. Here I am using white eyeliner pencil. Blend with the help of finger. Here I am using Maybelline gel eyeliner. Take a very little amount on the brush. Now stretch the outer lid with the help of finger, starting from the mid, and take small portion to draw. Now moving forward to draw the lower lash line. drawing inner V. Here using mascara from L'Oreal. With the help of finger, going to highlight the inner corner. Applying the white pencil on the waterline with the help of brush. By using the Maybelline gel eyeliner, I am going to draw inner eyelid to make my eyes look bigger. Here I am using false eyelashes to give a beautiful look. Using the lip crayon from Lakme, it's time to ready your lips to make up out. We're going to use the liquid lipstick from NYBay. Now it's time to glow by using Maybelline highlighter. Hey guys, check the final look. Thank you so much guys for watching me, and for more videos please like, subscribe and comment.